Hello! In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to find books in the law library here at Stetson. Start by running a search in the library's catalog, which can be found on the library's home page. After running a search in the catalog, you will be given a list of results on the right and a list of filters on the left, which can be used to narrow your results further. There are a couple of points I want to mention in the filters. First, at the very top, there is a box you can check to retain your filters. So if there are specific criteria that you want to keep regardless of your search, make sure you check that box. However, if you want to start your search afresh every time, make sure that box is unchecked. The other filter I want to point out is the held by library. If you want to find items that are owned by Stetson University College of Law, make sure the Stetson University College of Law box is checked. Once you find an item you want, make sure to make note of its availability, location, and call number. For example, if I want to use the book, The Global Body Market, I would look at its entry and I can see that the item is available. It is located on the third floor north of the Gulfport Law Library, and its call number is KF3827.D66G662013. The call number is kind of like the book's address for where it lives on the library's shelves. So let's take a closer look at this call number so we can find where this book is. The first part of the call number is a letter or group of letters. Our library uses the Library of Congress classification system, and these letters represent the book's broad topic. This allows books on similar topics to be shelved together, allowing for easy browsing. KF is the classification code for law. Books are first arranged alphabetically by these letters. Next, take note of the numbers following the letters, but before the period. These numbers further narrow a book subject, and books are shelved numerically within their letter classification. Based on these numbers, so all KF3826s would come before KF3827s. To help you easily find these alphanumeric combinations, shelves have end caps on them, noting the range you will find on those shelves. After the period is a cutter number, which is a combination of letters and numbers. In our case, it is .D66. First, you will find the letter alphabetically, then read the numbers as a decimal and find it numerically. So for example, KF3827.D66 will come after KF3827.D4, but before KF3827.E87. Next, there may be an additional alphanumeric line. Again, look alphabetically and then numerically. So in our example, KF3827.D66G66 comes before KF3827.D66P35. Finally, you may have a year. Read these in chronological order. Using our book as an example, you can see the year is 2013. This is the publication year. If there had been a previous edition of this book, it would have been shelved right before it. So years are helpful when you have multiple editions of a book. And that is it for this tutorial. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can email us, call us, or stop by and visit us.